Hey everyone, is your iPhone stacked with the cloud activation lock links or locked to owners on any iPhone's device? Then, how do you fix it? We will see live step by step with real demonstrations. Right now, we can see this is locked to owner. If we refresh, then it's stacked on the cloud activation lock links. It's not giving permissions to its it's not permitted to go in the inside to operate off it. This device came at my shop at the morning time today, but right now I'm trying to fix it. Now, here, why it happens, guys? It happens sometimes due to multiple times when we have entered the screen wrong passcode, time screen wrong passcode, or iDevice mobile management wrongs, or sometimes also when we have purchase a second-hand device and the someone who has previous owner who erase everything, so then it will stack on there. Sometimes maybe blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, reported device, or you have gotten anywhere. How do you fix it? Any situations? Simply firstly, we will go for an administration, that is iTunes. We will see a step by step, guys, so don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial. Firstly, let's access the data by using iTunes. In a cloud data DNS configuration and Apple database, see here it's a thing that this is not reported, but of course a link to an Apple account and asking enter the Apple account and password that's were used to set up this device. If it is, this kind of the thing is coming on your display after accessing a data by using iTunes, then what we will do, guys, here simply first step is that we will have to open, that is, yes, blob saver. See, we use here 2-3 tools that are absolutely free. You can use it. I will give you below the description box and there would be a download link, or it's my better advice, just write on a Google, go in its official website and of course get it latest version, so or updated version, so you will have no issues to any kind of the issues. So while especially more reliable that can be, more accuracy that can be rendered by using a latest updated tools. Here select the API nouns, we will read all the data and try to fetch, and then we will, yes, after fetching it would be especially retained on this or saved on this particular iPhones, and then we'll go inside to delete step by step. So now see it's a reading API nouns, we will have to wait here, let it complete. So now see it's putting into the recovery, and then we have gotten especially successfully API nouns. Now it's going to maybe especially exit from this, and when it will be highlighted, then the further we will go for add. So let's see what kind of the error is going to happen, and then but here please now see here it's a succeed. So first we will tap on it and we will close it, and then we'll open especially, that is 3U tool, guys. Let's open. Now this is the second tool that we will have to use. Once again we will have to go for the inside of it, so let's say tap on it. Check it out, still it is going to be the linked or not. So we will tap on a toolbox, cut it from here, and thereupon we will have option that is a crash analysis, and now we will go the inside. Whatever the data we had accumulated, that we will delete. So all the file have been deleted successfully, we can see here. Now what we will do, guys, here will come the real-time logs. Let's go clear at least 20 times so that latest firmware or latest Safari history, this would be especially, except everything would be clear, and keep refreshing in a midst of it so that a fresh data would be attracted to a terminate or wipe out. So now let's have the pass to clear, and now this is a third tool that we are going to open here, imaging phishing. This is absolutely free also. There is feature that I will use here that are absolutely free. We will go in the trial mode. Let me remind me later, and thereupon of course here show device console, and we can see here. Now let's refresh so that fresh data would be attracted, and here we will directly cancel, and we will come on here and keep clearing, guys, till it's not going to become a whiter screen. Now see, almost keep clearing, guys. So now see it is fetching a data, and thereupon of course keep clearing. Keep clearing, guys. Keep clearing. Now see here, at least 20 times, so we will have to clear. Keep clearing. Now see, data is fetching, and once here we will have to cancel, and upon of course we will clear. Keep clearing. Keep clearing. Keep clearing. Now that we can see here, one thing more also I would like to tell you here. Keep clearing now till the date of today is coming, fine, so we can see almost, let's see, just we will tap on a 3U tool, and here is a REC mode, hit this one, guys. So this would be especially reached into the DFU here, just to keep clearing. So now see, nothing is coming, so we can close this. And now we will have to work with the SP Slime, the 3U tool. Here, tap on a SP Slime in the smart flash and go for refresh. So, first data is especially that is recommended here. Yes, 16.7.15 hours. So, here is options directly download or imports. So, total size is especially the 6 GB. We are not going to download because it will take time. So, we will select the here quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data. Don't select the anti recovery. Don't select the fixed flash because this feature is suitable for this situation. We will go for selection of the custom, and here we kept on especially this firmware on especially I would like to show you on a hard disk. So, sorry. Let me where I kept now there on a hard disk the firmware I had downloaded. So particular that is a 380 this one's firmware it is. Now see, successfully it has imported without verifications. Simply we will go for don't select the fixed battery also during the flash, without selection, without backup selections, go for here this one. So it has requested to enter into the recovery mode, and then it will try to the exit from that, and then we will come with especially this firmware. So let's see what's going to happen the further. Select here the close the iTunes this, because while the flashing the process the device can restart multiple times, so maybe auto detections can be rendered by using especially, or can be rendered by especially iTunes. So iTunes will interrupt maybe in a cloud DNS configuration disturbance or Apple data DNS configuration. So now almost we have the close to SP Slime 25% and let it cross more than 30%, then yes, we will have to get it that yes, this on a particular this device there is no retaining data or there is no SPSLM, the cloud links, because of especially in a cloud database and Apple database that it has accepted confessed in this new firmware especially that has been recommended. So now we are on a 28%, and now see it has initiated to come with this new firmware. Now we will see any kind of the issues will come, so then of course because the 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. So we will watch till the end of this tutorial, and in my opinion don't skip ahead this tutorial, because watch carefully till the scarcely we will take 15 to 20 minutes, and in a midst of suddenly any issues or error occurs, then how do you troubleshoot of the particular of that issues, that also I will show you especially in this tutorial. Of course we will include it because on a one particular iPhones there are the various kind of more than 200 errors that can be suspected on the one particular iPhone. So we are trying to the bit of that issues, and then of course we will troubleshoot of it. So because we have the cross more than 31%, so now that we will have to relax on the comms, wait till it's not notifying the any error, guys. Now everything I hope it is visual and very crystal clear. Do a step by step, guys, with all the instructions and the guidelines that I have mentioned to you. Now that we can see here, we have reached on the 32 percentage, but still there is no any error. Let's see what's going to happen. If however any error comes, then of course we will try to troubleshoot of it. This came at my of the morning times already I mentioned to you, and two more devices today we will have to fix it. So at my shop, so see here what is going to happen. So with this device, sometimes network carrier lock also especially impose time screen passcode. Right? So all the issues, this is a general method there. We can fix time screen passcode, iDevice mobile management locks, manager password, or yes, screen passcode, face ID, touch ID is not recognized then. And one thing more also I would like to tell you here, guys, that we can see these can be seen in a fast forwarding with jumping order sometimes from 25 or 45 percentage to 90 percentage or 80 percentage. So this can be expected, guys, so don't worry. And second thing also, that this can be seen in descending order also, because multiple times this can be chances to reboot or restart. So that's why I'm saying you. And sometimes in the ascending order you can see, but when it cross more than 50 percentage, then we will have to this deselect of it. So we are waiting for this. Now 50 percentage we have close to a special on this particular iPhone, so we can see here, but total time that can be expected more than 10 minutes, guys, less than 20 minutes. In the midst of that, of course, you can fix one device, no problem at all. So let's see what's going to happen further. Yes, almost 12 minutes we have spent, and there's still nothing corollary. Of course, we have this, but let's see. Multiple devices have been locked by the similar strategy, so you need to execute a similar strategy, guys, and all the instructions that I mentioned to you, that we will have to follow all the protocols, and then of course you will be able to in how easiest way that's what we can, because no one, the shopkeeper, can tell you this kind of thing, this strategy. Why? Because of yes, but of course you can fix this at your home with the help of PC or laptops without doing a jailbreak. So then why you will access at any mobile shop for fixation of that? So that's why I'm saying, you guys, and no chargeable tools. So 3U tool, as we know that this is absolutely free. Imagine PC is a chargeable, but of course this feature is totally free, especially in a trial version. Of course you can apply. And third is that yes, some blob server, that is absolutely free. And fourth one, iTunes, and that has been developed by Apple itself, so it's absolutely free also. So now we have this on a space lime and cross the 50%, so we will deselect this space lime, this iTunes, because if we select then this iTunes will not be ever opened. So that's why I'm saying, so that now there is no chances that it will be rebooted again and again. So because within a space lime, the below 50% is when we access, then it happens most probably this can be restarted multiple times, but when we cross more than 50%, then so there is no chances. So now we can see here crystal clear, and it is absolutely visible, guys, that what's happening especially on this desktop, and I hope so that it is absolutely clear. Now that we have the rest 60%, but here we can see more than especially how much percentage, and that is especially 80%, guys. So sometimes this can be a jumped from the 70 to 80, 90 directly, or maybe especially on 100. So it will notify you, guys. Any error comes, suddenly of course we will have to. And while doing these things, internet connection should be always connected, guys. If there will be any disturbance in our internet connections, and then of course this will interrupt in the cloud data DNS configuration and the Apple data DNS configurations, and then of course definitely it will stuck on a Apple logo. And when it will stuck on Apple logo, then you will have the problem. The problem is that yes, you won't be able to continue this procedure, because of especially it will stuck on that, and the whole procedure we will have to repeat once again. So now see, the finally we have got it result that the congratulations, the clean flash has been completed. So just hit this OK button, and open of course will come toolbox and wait for the batch activations. This function is a very quietly effective, so because this will assist you to skip all the setting. There is an initial setup of any iPhones, guys, language, Wi-Fi, Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID, everything. So guys, when we will able to easily escape it, then of course we can go the inside especially, and then we will see. Now see within 20 seconds when it highlighted, then we will select the all and hit this one without making delay. So it has started to execute, and they are also initiated to the computers from there. So now what we will do, guys, here, sometimes on the particular device, this phone, suppose any phone who doesn't belong to a especially particular country, and there you are executing. So because this procedure can be applicable on globally all over the world. Suppose this phone belongs to UK, and of course and they're trying to fix this in Hong Kong. So what will happen, sales areas are different ones. So as we know that we will have to customize the precise location. Sometimes automatically due to blob saver effectively works. If it were, then there will be no chances to have the error, but sometimes on the particular device, especially if the error comes, that activating error and escaping succeed, sometimes escaping succeed and activating errors, when it comes like that, then we will change the immediately internet connection of your PC, and then once again it will be highlighted, executes at this start button. So yes, this will be completely affects this is in the rarest of rare case. However, it's not going to happen, so error is still coming. So then we will customize the precise location by using a special the virtual private networks on your PC, and as we know that when we use the customization precise location would be a similar according to suppose this for Hong Kong, so we will use a special Hong Kong that precise location, and then DNS configuration from the cloud database and Apple database will be stabilized proper, and then this would be surely affects it. So now see, there is not required directly to become on a hello screen. So just we will come and especially unbind the Apple ID. So it's asking the 10 second, we will have to wait a 10 second, and upon the further we will go for. So let's see here, we can go the inside of no problem at all. Now see here, it has been highlighted, so we will go for unbind and we will select the language, and now everything. So we have the completed from here. So what we will do now, we will try to the access especially by using iTunes in a cloud database and DNS configuration. See here, when we'll go the inside, it's saying that here we can see this is connected here, and we can see what's the sync to the accessing the data. It has gone, no SIM card inside, automatically it has gone, and we can see here this is still accessing the data, and it has the welcome you. So how effectively this trick is works, guys, here. Now we can go the inside and we check it out, and the sanction that and the connect to the internet or the sign into your device means we don't have any internet connection on the particular with this device, but however it has been quietly yes unlocks, and we can see Face ID, Touch ID, everything is disabled. So quietly function, we can go the inside of it, and there is nothing, so everything is quietly functional. Now insert the SIM card and they enjoy as anyone's. But in a case SIM card is not functioning, then we will come the virtual location. There is one feature on iTunes, and we can globally modify the restore the true location if you had modified the customize the precise location. Now the local area network with your local SIM card will be restored on the particular this iPhones, and this phone is completely restored. Yes, network carrier, everything, and now as a new ones you can deliver to the customer, and they can enjoy affairs, no problem at all. So now see, there is nothing errors, and directly they become on a hello screen, no, directly on a home screen, and they can enjoy. Because sometimes with the help of Jailbreak CP unlocks, and then it stack and continue on a cloud activation, but this is a permanent solution, guys, of course, and the permanent method. So this is all about. Hi, this is Technology Bell Fan. We'll be back step by step with new technique and tutorial. So don't forget to join this channel, because of course the further any update you can access easily, and please share this content, because anyone who is unprivileged, and they can privilege of this information, and of course they can fix if they are facing this kind of similar challenges. Then thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.